Oh yeah. You guys want to do some mulching? Wow. Well, there we go. This is the flower bed in the front of the house, which Amanda, my mom, and I spent about 2.5 hours weeding Sunday afternoon. So that was fun. There were weeds, came up all the way to like this little knuckle in the post, basically the whole way across. So it was just like a big wall of ugly weeds that were really only good for hiding Amazon packages. That's about it. Other than that, they're really ugly. There'll be put a picture up of what it used to look like. It's not a super recent picture. It's from right when we first moved in, so it would have been almost 2 months ago. But even then, it was really bad. See here, this is where we stopped weeding on Sunday, and all the way back the house. It's got these tall weeds, very thick. Well, we cleared out the rest of what we need to clear out for mulching. There's a whole bunch of squash vines right here that were all intertwined and dying and moldy and gross, and yeah. So in case you guys couldn't tell how many weeds were really in there, this is just like 3 or 4 feet deep, but it's just entirely weeds. Like there is no visible dirt in here pretty much at all, and that's just along this side here. This is only a couple feet thick or deep. That was the entire way around the front of this house here, and at the deepest parts it's like 6 feet across under there, and this entire area all the way around the front of the house was entirely like that. And the weeds were almost my height at some points, but yeah, it was just tons and tons of weeds. I have this pretty good size wheelbarrow here, and I think I'm up to like 10 or 11 trips back to the compost pile back there by the shed. Like, just that's how much weeds I've cleared out of here. It is nuts. But yeah, I think the weeds are pretty much done. The other big thing I need to do is you can kind of let me back up a little bit here. You can't really see it as well from this side. I'll go to the other side. You can see it comes around and it comes straight across the house, and it should continue until the corner and then loop around here. But instead it kind of does this weird divot in and then goes around. So I need to fix that edge line, have it come all the way out so it's symmetrical on both sides of the house, and then it looks better. Also, there's another one of the neighbor's dogs. They have a lot of dogs. This one only barks at Amish buggies. It doesn't bark at any cars or anything else, just Amish buggies. It's a good time. But yeah, let's fix this edge line.
2 hours later.
Well, just got back from Home Depot. Brought some pavers. They're not quite in a straight line right now, but I'll fix them later, because first thing I want to do is put down the weed blocker paper. So without further ado, let's just get right to it. I've just got 30 minutes to clean all this stuff up and get the tarp out before the mulch gets here. Then it's mulching time.
20 minutes later.
Mulch is here. Ah, there it goes. Man, he got that bed up to like 45 degrees before any of that fell off. Let's hope it all stays on the tarp. Yep. It spilled off a little bit. Let's get to it. Boom. Look at that. That looks so much better than it did before. Now, granted, I still have to sink these pavers into the ground so they're flush, but I mean, the look is all done. Yeah, so that was, I guess that's like renovation project number 3. Well, I'm gonna go inside in the air conditioning because it's gonna feel amazing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the little bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video pops up. You want to be notified. It's a good time. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you next week.